In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automatic response in Gmail. Fix a day here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. From the Quick Settings panel, click See All Settings. By default, you'll be inside the General tab. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page until you find the Vacation Responder section. In this section, select the Vacation Responder on Radio button to activate the automatic reply feature. Next, click into the first day field and choose your start date from the calendar. This is the date when your automatic response will begin sending. If you want the automatic replies to stop on a specific date, check the last day box and select your end date from the calendar. If you leave this unchecked, the automatic response will continue until you manually turn it off. Now enter a clear subject line such as out of office in the subject field. Then type your automated message in the message text box. Make sure your message clearly explains your situation and when you'll be available again. If you want to limit the automatic reply to people you know, check the box for only send a response to people in my contacts. This prevents unknown senders from receiving your automated message. Once everything is set up the way you want, scroll down and click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.